Hi, this is Manoj Yadav and you are watching Mechanotherapy. So guys, today we will discuss some numerical problems related to resultant of various forces. Let's take first question. Some forces are acting along angular points of a regular hexagon. Calculate their resultant. So you can see in the diagram we have a regular hexagon. The forces are given as 10 kilonewton, 10 kilonewton, 15 kilonewton, 5 kilonewton and 5 kilonewton. Now angles of these forces are not given. So first of all, to find out the resultant, we will have to resolve these forces. Now for resolving the forces, we will have to calculate the angles of these forces either with horizontal or with vertical. Now since the figure is a regular hexagon, you can see in the diagram we have 1 2 3 4 total 4 triangles. So total angle of these triangles will be 180 multiplied by 4, that is 720. Now this 720 degree angle is equally divided by 6 number of sides, that is 720 by 6, that is 120 degree. So in this way we can find out the angle at angular point. The angle of angular point is 120 degree. Now this 120 degree angle is equally divided in 4 parts. So angle of each part will be 120 by 4, that is 30 degree. So the angles of these forces with horizontal will be 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree. Now we will resolve these forces. Since the angles of all the forces is given from horizontal axis, so we will apply sigma h, sum of all horizontal forces. 10 kilonewton is already a horizontal force. Its angle with horizontal is 0 degree. So we will write 10 cos 0 plus 10 cos 30 plus 15 cos 60 plus 5 cos 90 plus 5 cos 120, which is equal to 23.66 kilonewton. Now in same way we will find out the sum of all vertical forces. When we take vertical forces, we will take the sine component. So 10 sine 0 plus 10 sine 30 plus 15 sine 60 plus 5 sine 90 plus 5 sine 120, that is 27.32 kilonewton. Now once we have calculated sigma h and sigma v, we can find out the resultant by using the formula r is equal to under root sigma h square plus sigma v square, which is equal to root 23.66 square plus 27.32 square, which is equal to 36.14 kilonewton. Now for finding out the resultant of this, the direction of this resultant, we will apply equation tan theta equal to sigma v upon sigma h, that is 27.32 divided by 23.66, which is equal to 49.1 degree. In this way we can calculate the forces, the resultant of forces which are acting along some regular shape like regular pentagon or regular hexagon. Angles will not be given to you. You will have to calculate angles by using this method, and then we will apply sigma h, sigma v and find out resultant by using under root sigma h square plus sigma v square and direction tan theta equal to sigma v upon sigma h. So in this way we will calculate the resultant. Now let's see second problem. Calculate the resultant of force system given in figure. A force system is given to you in figure. We are having 20 kilonewton horizontal force, 10 kilonewton compressive force which is making 30 degree angle with horizontal, 20 kilonewton vertical force, 10 kilonewton tensile force having angle of inclination 30 degree with the vertical, and 40 kilonewton downward force. So we will resolve only the forces which are at an angle or which are inclined. So we can find out sigma h as 20 is in positive x direction. The component of tan in horizontal direction will be tan cos 30 and its direction will be in negative x direction. Similarly, next tan kilonewton having angle of inclination 30 degree with vertical will have horizontal component as tan sin 30, which will be in negative x direction. So equation will be plus 20 minus tan cos 30 minus tan sin 30, that is 6.339 kilonewton. In this way we will calculate sigma h. Similarly, sum of all vertical forces. Now component of vertical tan kilonewton force with 30 degree horizontal angle will be tan sin 30, which is in negative direction, so it will be written as minus tan sin 30. 20 kilonewton vertical force is acting in upward direction, so plus 20. Similarly, tan cos 30 will act in upward direction, so plus tan cos 30, and 40 kilonewton is acting in downward direction, so minus 40. So in this way we will make equation for sigma v as minus tan sin 30 plus 20 plus tan cos 30 minus 40, which is equal to minus 16.339 kilonewton. Now we can determine the resultant by using the same equation. R is equal to root sigma h square plus sigma v square, that is root 6.339 square plus minus 16.339 whole square, equal to 17.526 kilonewton. So this will be the resultant of these forces, and direction will be theta equal to tan inverse sigma v upon sigma h, which will be minus 68.79 degree. You can see a vertical component is in downward direction and horizontal component is in positive x direction. So the resultant will be in fourth coordinate. So this is how we will calculate the resultant of given forces. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. Thank you everyone.